Hey to everyone and welcome to another video. The year 2023 is predicted to bring about significant changes in the online business industry. With the increasing number of people using the internet for shopping, socializing, and work, it is no surprise that online businesses are projected to grow rapidly. In this article, we will discuss 3 potential online business ideas that can thrive in 2023 and beyond. 1. Virtual reality experiences. Virtual reality, VR, technology has been gaining popularity in recent years, and it is expected to be a major trend in 2023. This technology allows users to immerse themselves in a simulated environment, providing a unique experience that is not possible with traditional media. VR experiences can be used for entertainment, education, and even therapy. One potential business idea is to create a platform that offers a wide range of VR experiences. This platform can be accessed through VR headsets or even through a web browser. The experiences can be created in-house or sourced from third-party developers. To generate revenue, the platform can charge a subscription fee or a fee for each individual experience. Marketing can be done through social media and targeted ads. The key to success in this business is to offer high-quality experiences that are unique and engaging. 2. E-commerce for sustainable products. In recent years, there has been a growing demand for sustainable products, and this trend is expected to continue in 2023. Consumers are becoming more aware of the environmental impact of their purchases and are looking for products that are eco-friendly and ethically sourced. One potential business idea is to create an e-commerce platform that specializes in sustainable products. This platform can offer a wide range of products, including clothing, home goods, and personal care items. The products can be sourced from ethical and sustainable suppliers. To generate revenue, the platform can charge a commission on each sale or a flat fee for listing products on the site. Marketing can be done through social media and targeted ads. The key to success in this business is to offer high-quality products that are truly sustainable and appeal to eco-conscious consumers. 3. Digital marketing agency for small businesses. As more businesses move online, there is a growing need for digital marketing services. However, many small businesses do not have the resources to hire a full-time marketing team or to outsource their marketing to a large agency. One potential business idea is to create a digital marketing agency that specializes in serving small businesses. The agency can offer a range of services, including social media marketing, email marketing, SEO, and content marketing. The agency can also offer website design and development services. To generate revenue, the agency can charge a monthly retainer or a project-based fee. Marketing can be done through targeted ads and networking with local small businesses. The key to success in this business is to offer high-quality services that are tailored to the unique needs of small businesses. Conclusion. The online business industry is constantly evolving, and 2023 is expected to bring about significant changes. These 3 potential online business ideas, virtual reality experiences, e-commerce for sustainable products, and a digital marketing agency for small businesses, are just a few examples of the many opportunities that exist in this industry. By staying on top of trends and providing high-quality services, online businesses can thrive in 2023 and beyond. If you liked the video, please comment and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget, it's free. Have a good day.